Hey, welcome back to the shop. We're continuing to build the liquor cabinet. We've got the case frame together. We got the plywood backing put in, oak plywood. We did rabbets on the corners, and for added strength, I'm in the process of pinning them with brass pins. I don't know if you could see them in the video, but they'll show up really nice when it's stained a dark brown. And then we're going to sand this up to 180 and get it ready for stain so I can get it stained and let it sit while I'm working on the door for it. And then we'll have this thing done here by next weekend, I hope. So I've just taken a brad point bit and I've marked where I want each of my holes. I've got the depth marked with tape. Now we're just going to drill some holes and drive in some pins. And we're going to use a little square to help make sure we stay vertical. Okay. Those are all drilled. Now we're just going to take a little bit of wood glue. Now with a lot of materials, when we put wood glue in the hole and start driving the pin in, it could force the glue out the end grain or out other places. So you want just a tad bit of glue. Just enough to hold the pin in place. And the pin goes the other way. And then you'll definitely have to do some sanding, because any of your file shavings will end up in the open grained wood of the open grain of the oak. All right. So now we'll come back here. We'll do some filing. Oops. All right. There we have pinned rabbets. Now we're going to send this thing up to 180. Get ready for stain.